Here we go, Adam. I'm gonna try a Valor. 1, 2 top, 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. Bottom one. And I'm gonna try 1 to 9. 2013 Playbook number 3. There we go. This right here real fast. I'm not sure if Adam's live or not. Let him know. All that's typed bad, but we'll get the gist of it. Here we go. 2013 Playbook. And box number 84 for Valor. Yeah, get these squared up. There we go. Here we go. Adam T. Just base and rookies. Base and rookies. You guessed it. Steve Smith, $2.99. Just base. Just base. Here's your silhouette, Michael Sam. Got his autograph Inception earlier, now we get his silhouette jersey. Michael Sam, I am. Andrew Luck patch, 43 of 99. Pretty cool. I thought they were all rookie patches for some reason. Guess they have some veterans in there. Had a pretty decent game yesterday. $3.99 David Fales. Just base. And base. $4.99 Keenan Allen. Base. Just a bit outside. Should have 2 autographs in here. So far we got the patches and the jersey out of the way. Here's hit number 1. Robert Heron, or autograph rather, 15 of 99. Robert Heron autograph. Base. $3.99 LaShawn McCoy. Here's your patch. Just a white patch. 70 of 99 gold version Jordan Matthews. Another receiver that had a pretty good year. This was the year of the receivers for the rookies. Jordan Matthews. There you go. Just a white patch though. And your last pack of Valor. Shall yield. Deion Sanders, $2.99. So you have 4 hits left. We'll just recap this. Jordan Matthews Gold, numbered to 99. Numbered to 99, Robert Heron. Andrew Luck, numbered to 99, patch. And Michael Sam, not numbered, jersey. Numbered 1 of only 10, Deshaun Jackson. First one stamped. Deshaun Jackson autograph. And Marcus Colston, just a base card. Jordan Reed, 212 of 271. Jersey, patch autograph. Jordan Reed. 17 of 25, Connor Vernon. There you go. 1 off his jersey number. And the last one will be C-Pat. Just a jumbo jersey. 19 of 199. Jersey, jumbo jersey. He's going to have to start clicking next year. He's too good not to. C-Pat. Alrighty. Thanks as always, Adam. I'll get it on the way tonight.